Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about hosting challenges. I know that a lot of you, or if not all of you, have heard all of us coaches talking about challenge groups. You've seen us inviting to challenge groups, you've seen us talking about running challenge groups in our training so far. Really, by now you've probably gathered that challenge groups are kind of a main fixture in your coaching business. I like to think of these as like the bread and butter for your coaching business. As we're all being a product of the product, it's really just all about inviting people to go along on this journey with us. And when we do that, we create these private groups on Facebook. The really cool thing about these is it's a place where you can have a really small group of people really focused on maybe one specific program with, all the same trainer, all on the same day and schedule and following the eating plan together. Or you can have like a larger group, maybe like an accountability style group where people are doing all different types of programs with all different trainers, or even, a general accountability group where you can just support friends who aren't necessarily doing Beachbody workout programs yet and just show them that support, your runner friends, your yoga friends, all of that, to create a little community where they can come and feel supported and maybe provide a clean eating meal plan. So those are all ideas of what we like to do with challenge groups. The way that generally is like an easy way to jump into running challenge groups is a 7-day clean eating challenge. That's like a really great idea for a brand new coach to think about starting with. We have a TeamFITspiration clean eating meal plan and a shopping list, so it makes it super painless and brainless for you to be able to provide that for your group members. You can just provide that support for them and work with them through that 7 days, and oftentimes that's the jump start that people need to transition right into maybe a Shakeology 7-day challenge or a 30-day fitness challenge. The 30-day fitness challenges are, like I was saying, kind of the bread and butter for your business. So we offer challenge packs, workout programs separately, and Shakeology separately. Really, it's the most value for your customer and your client to choose the challenge pack. They're going to get our Super Saver shipping. They're going to get almost like the coach discount on their products when they put them together into a challenge pack. So very beneficial for your customer and for you to be selling these challenge packs. These all coincide with earning Success Club points, and that's also a really vital part of a successful business for you as a coach. And so challenge packs, in transitioning into those 30-day fitness groups, you can have your challengers join you. Like I said, whether you're focusing on one specific program or whether you're going to kind of let people pick their program, it's totally up to you and what you feel like is the right fit for your network, your friends, your family, the people who are going to be joining you in the group. So I always like to talk to people about what their goals are, where they're at right now. If somebody has just had surgery within the last 6 months or on their knee or something like that, we know that they're probably not going to dive right into Insanity or Asylum or something like that. We really need to get a feel for the client on a personal basis and really provide that support for them. And so that all comes with learning about the products that we have to offer so we can better serve our clients. So once you've got a good feel for what your clients' goals are, where they're at right now, what types of limitations they might have, what type of modifications they might need to be doing with their workouts, then you can make some suggestions. And so what I like to do is, pick ones that I have experience with. Sometimes people ask me about programs that I haven't done yet, and so I do have to do a little bit of research and legwork before I can get back to them with a, really educated and thought out answer. So that right there just shows you do not have to know everything about every single little product. We have so many tools and guides that will help you learn and train on each program. But you'll also find that through your journey as a coach, you're going to develop experience with certain programs. I've had my fair share of experiences with all kinds of different programs because I like to hop between lots of different ones. All the new ones that come out, I like to test them out, so I have that experience. So that's a cool thing where your discount comes in, and you're able to experience those new programs with your customers. And so once you gain that experience and you're able to offer suggestions based on personal experience, your customers are really going to appreciate that you can say, I just don't think that that's the right fit for you, or here's a great example of what I think is a really good fit for you. So once you've gotten to that point and you've helped your client make the right choice for them and their personal needs and goals, you can roll right into, explaining how they can purchase their challenge pack, and you're ready to roll. Next, you would roll into your 30-day challenge group. Setting up a group through Facebook is super duper easy. There's a pretty simple step-by-step guide. If you just go to the group section on the left side of your news feed, you'll be able to see a little tab that says create group, and you can set it up right there, name your own group. You can select a cover photo or make one yourself, whatever you want to do, and that's going to be your private little community, your little happy family, where you're going to be able to offer support to your customers. And the really awesome thing that we've created for challenge groups is a 30-day challenge group template. So seriously, there is nothing that you have to worry about. All of the training materials are provided for you. You don't even have to think about really what to post every day. You can just kind of hit the ground running and use posts that have been tried and true by me and your other leaders on the team. Even pictures and coach notes and lots of good stuff. And that will be provided to you in our TeamFITspiration group page and this training group. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Otherwise, I'll start talking about how you can kind of transition your challenger into coaching. This is where a lot of your amazing coaches are going to come from. Not that you have to have that experience in a challenge group to be an amazing coach, but for the most part, coaches who come from challenge groups just kind of get it. They understand what this is all about, and they kind of think, okay, well, I can do this too. I really love this environment. I love this support, and I can think of X, Y, and Z person who would totally love to do something like this. So they realize that this would be a great fit for them. Or you notice that somebody is really stepping up in your group and showing leadership and really inspiring others in the group, and keeping people accountable and offering motivation and support and stuff like that within the group. That's your perfect example of somebody who would make a great coach. And so you can approach them, and we have lots of suggestions on what you can say to somebody in your challenge group and approach them about the coaching opportunity. We have some call recordings that you can use and send them so they can get a good feel for what coaching is all about, get all the details without you having to type up a, super long email response for them. So we've got lots of tools for you to use when you're converting a challenger to a coach. So, and a lot of times some people aren't ready. They want to just continue on their journey in the challenge group, and that's okay because you've planted that seed with them, and chances are, a month to 60 days down the road, they're going to come to you and say, you know what, you're right. I think I'm really ready to do this. I'm feeling great, and the challenge group was exactly what I needed to, give myself the confidence to take on more of a coach role now. So that is why challenge groups are such a huge part of our business, because really you're getting to know people, you're developing those relationships like we talked about earlier, and you are possibly planting seeds and laying that foundation with people so that they can become the type of coach that you are and the type of coach that you want to be, and they can watch you in that leadership role and join you. So I hope that was beneficial for you guys. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I hope you have a great day.